it's Emily from WTI, and I'm here to talk about my new favorite shampoo and conditioner from Innersense. This is the Pure Harmony Hair Bath and the Pure Inspiration Daily Conditioner, and I'm talking to you about them from inside my shower. So I love this shampoo and conditioner because they are very clean, high-performing products. That means that they don't have any extra parabens, silicones, sulfates, other additives that many products have that just weigh your hair down and are also not great for our health. So these products are super high performing, they've worked really well for me, and they don't have any of that extra junk. I have fine to medium hair, and that's what these formulations are perfect for. So if you're like me and you struggle with getting greasy hair, then you're gonna love this shampoo and conditioner because it doesn't contribute to that greasiness, but it still leaves my hair feeling very nourished and soft. And the conditioner also leaves it shiny and easy to work with, and it reduces frizz. If you're someone that's also trying to bring out your own natural curl, these products are great because they don't weigh curls down. So I have been really pleased with this shampoo and conditioner. I love to support companies that are creating clean, high-performing products and working to do good in the world, and this shampoo and conditioner fits that bill. And that's my point of view.